red. That's a red light. You're in the red. Yep, you did. Yeah. Yep. Block. Oh, BMW's not waiting for anyone, is he? Turds. Like, oh. Oops. Did he run the red? Oh, gee, he goes. Go, wait, that. Jesus fucking people. Let's see how those lights look. Stop sign, Honda. I think the Corolla just rolled in front of me, too. See how this looks.
Decline. Well, that's not exactly what it's
no, thank you. No. They painted those lines for a reason. Thank you. Stop. That's a stop. Toyota. Stop sign rolling behind me. Because Camry. Well, you may as well go. You're halfway there. Moron. And stop sign. Bacardi Foods. He didn't stop. Neither did he. Yeep. Man. You turn signal van, you dumbass. What the hell are you doing? Yeah, do it the hard way, stupid. Wrong lane, Maxima. Are lines that hard? Really? Are they that difficult to understand? Audi, direct to the left lane? What do you know? By the way, that snow in my hood is frozen there. I couldn't get it off. Are we gonna roll stops? Are we gonna roll stops? We're gonna roll stops? We're gonna roll stop? We're gonna roll stop. That's a stop sign, Subaru. Yeah, I guess. Go right ahead, Hyundai. No problem. Subaru jumps its turn. What the hell was that? Yellow. Red. Up! Ran the red. Cop does nothing. And roll stop. Really dressed for the weather, dude. And roller stop. Now there's another shitty job of cleaning off the snow. Another crappy job. Thank you, Jeep. Dude, you have a merge lane. Use it. Let me see. Camry. It's Camry. Because Camry. Trouble for you. Hey, that's not a van. Candlewood Suites. That's not a lane. I'll call that an exit dive. Oh well. Doop 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 doop. Shitty merge. Yeah, waits the last second. Queue jumping. Let me guess. Yes, it's a Subaru. Stop sign. Here on the stop, here on the stop. Yeah. We're on the stop. Stop sign, kids. Stop sign, bus. That's another shitty job of cleaning the car off. And that's an nincompoop. Oh, Camry going left from the wrong lane. Yep. Oh, yeah. You got mirrors or what? Get off my tail! That was going to get you further? Farther? Ahead? Guess what? You're further behind again. go!
3 years ago in the South End.
Clean up your friggin' window. Yeah. Because Subaru. Oh, look. Subaru, direct to the left lane. Okay, let's see. Don't run the other stop. Don't run the other stop. So I'm coming. Damn it, this fucking go. Go. Did he run the stop? I think he ran the stop. That's a stop sign. Is supposed to stop before you turn. Excuse me. Anybody roll stop back there? Oh, yep, someone did. Yeah. Roll stop. Yep. Yep. Is that a roll? Come on, come on, come on. You're supposed to stop. Especially when someone's coming. What the? Hey, red light runners! There you go, red. Yeah, you're in the red. Thank you. Oh, you reek of queue jumping. Aha! He did. He did. All right, there goes the fusion. That was right the first time. I'm not waiting on a lady. You're not waiting on the stop sign. There you. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Blow the stop sign. Yep. CRV blew the stop sign. HRV sitting in the middle. Yeah, I'm not here. Don't mind me. About me. Don't press the button. Oh, you little shit. And you're gonna walk anyway. Thanks. Thanks, you little shit. Fuck, break your goddamn kneecaps, you little bitch. Now we gotta sit through the pedestrian cycle, right? Yeah, thanks, lady. Thanks a whole fucking lot. Oh, cut him off. Subaru. Yeah, that minivan wasn't there, Minnie.
Despite plenty of sunshine, a high near 35 of those real fields.
You gonna run the stop? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Clean your friggin' car off. We're gonna go. Come on. Go. No. We're in the red. Quite a stop. Whoa. That was close. And it was a stop sign. God. And that's a red light runner. Did he run the stop? No, he just rolled it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. It was red Toyota. Get out of the lane, garbage truck. Let's see, pass fail or bad pass? Pass fail. Thank you. It's a world out there. Are you gonna run the stop behind me, JP? Yes, you are. I don't think he stopped. She stopped. No, you rolled it. I know that. You know, you're just creating a blind spot for yourself with your visor like that. If it's broken, take it off. If it's not broken, buy some friggin' sunglasses. I think he just cut him off behind me. That's how long live it. Thank you. I still hate you because you drive a Corolla. Okay, here's a mass hole left for you. Yep, that is a mass hole left and a half. I think she just rolled the stop. Did he roll it? She roll it? That one roll the stop? Stop rolling everywhere. Yeah, rolling. You don't even make an effort to stop, bimbo. Yeah. Terribly sorry if you're offended by that word, but... Well, let's see who runs the stops again, because I was just here. Yep, goes the Kia. He ran it. I think that Nissan just ran it. And Toyota rolled it. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to stop. No. Stop means stop, not just stop when it's convenient, you know? Stop at certain times of the day. No, it means stop. Period.